started applying the technology to the abdominal surgery field, and since then we started to discover how the technology could be helpful also for other surgical specialties. 3D printing is fundamental to achieve a patient-specific production. We are pretty sure that no other technology can reach that goal in the same amount of time. The first machine we acquired when we started this journey in 2011 was a Stratasys machine we had to produce a multi-material pancreas model, including pancreatic parenchyma, the tumor mass, and the vessels. But since then, Stratasys remained the first choice for the patient-specific production, especially due to the high resolution of the machine that guarantees us a perfect replica of the morphological features of the patients, and thanks to the availability of different materials. With new technologies, we can also find soft tissues. So we have new models that can be used for training. For example, you can perform anastomosis. You can suture this tissue. Compared to the very first models that are very hard, new models are soft, so you can use them to train resident, to train surgeon. You can cut them, you can suture them, and you can prove if your anastomosis is good or not.
I think the value of 3D printing is the capability, which is unique, to reproduce case-specific challenges, which is only capability offered by 3D printing. And also the mechanical properties provides excellent force feedback, which is not available with virtual reality. And my advice is for hospitals willing to embark into this venture to invest in 3D printing, having an eye on the future.
The choice of using 3D printing technology is because with this technology you can really reproduce all the structures of the body with different materials, and this really fit with our purpose of developing simulation models and models for scheduling surgery. In particular, we have the need to develop a model with small structures, and with 3D printer we can push the limit to develop these kind of structures. I think that 3D printing represents the future of medical teaching, not only for students but also for specialists. And you have the opportunity to train residents, for example, in surgery, but also for expert surgeons you have the opportunity to continue your training and to maintain your skills, even for facing complex surgery during your day practice.